Do you want to go to the plage with me? I'm going down, down, down.
Reinforces the reading and the literary skills.
All I've ever seen. Gone down, down, down. My love is calling.
It helps them how to deal with emotions.
I'm angry. I am sad. Come on, girls. That is beautiful.
It develops the student's self-confidence.
Do you want to go to the plage with me? I'm going down, down, down there 4 in the morning.
I'm Regina, I'm 23 years old. I'm from Champaign, Illinois, United States. And I'm helping out with drama in English, and I think it's a great way for the girls to learn good English.
Step on a time.
Increases creativity and imagination.
Come over here.
It helps a lot to improve their English skills.
And I will love your heart.
Tomorrow, I love you.
My name's Bryony, I'm from England and I'm 22. I think drama at the bar is really good. It's a really interesting way to learn English.
I want to go to the bus. Oh no, you can.
Drama helps the girls to pay more attention to all the activities and to be more organized.
Nobody will see us now.
Theater always helps, especially for all those girls that have problems to communicate.
Just what you done to me.
My name is Trina. I work here as a language assistant. I am from Ireland, and the reason why I think drama is so important here is that the kids are basically learning English in a context, in a natural context.
Come over here with your heart.
It develops values such as respect, patience, optimism, and hard work.
Come over here with your heart.
And the most important thing is that they enjoy while learning.